Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge here guys, first generation. And if you guys need to remove and replace the gas pedal, also known as throttle pedal guys, on your Ford Edge because it's malfunctioning, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. Not very complicated procedure at all guys. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge guys, will be making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart? Simply guys, because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now guys, if you need to buy replacement tools, new gas throttle pedal guys, any replacement parts tools, anything like that, and you want to see where we get them from, usually for a super good price and very quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. So here we have a 2009 Ford Edge that will demonstrate how to do that on. This is okay what we're going to need, a 10mm socket and a ratchet, or I'll just get the impact and see okay if I can do it with the impact only. So now guys, okay, let me see and show you okay how we can do that now. This is guys, okay, let me see now the throttle pedal. Okay, we're going to position the camera like that. Now we have guys, okay, one nut on top, okay, right there, one on top, and I need to go get an extension. Let me grab an extension quick guys, because I won't be able to reach it. It's all the way deep because the socket is not deep enough. Then we're going to have guys, okay, another nut on the very top there as well. And this one the same thing, I will need to just get the extension. So let me do that now and see if that'll work out, or it's going to be too long. Hopefully it's not. So now with the 10mm and the extension, well, that's why it doesn't work guys. This is not a 10, this is a bigger nut. Maybe it's a 7/16. Okay, let me see, because it doesn't seem like it's a 12mm, and it's probably either 11 or 7/16, something like that. So it's actually 11mm guys. Okay, it looks like it's a 10, it's 11. Okay, that's why I couldn't do it. So pretty simple now. First nut is out, okay, you can see right there. Now we're going to focus okay on the second nut on top. This one is out as well guys. Now we have a third nut that is right there in the corner. Perfect, this is the third one. Okay, and now what do we need to do guys? Grab it. It may be stuck under the carpet a little bit and it comes out. Now how we disconnect that thing guys, check it out now. That red thing okay needs to come up like that. Then you can actually, okay, if it comes up, you can press in here and release it guys. And okay, let me show you now. This right here guys is your throttle pedal, excuse me, out of the way. Now guys, if you have problems, I would recommend okay to replace the whole thing, because if you had a problem once, probably you will have a problem again. So if you have problems, replace it guys. We'll have the part numbers and everything listed in the description of the video below for your convenience and where you can get it from. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.